Hello, this is Andrew from the Shumaker Technology Group. MTA has invited us to help out in putting together a video for how municipalities can take advantage of virtual meetings during this time, and we'll primarily be looking at the software Zoom. But before we get started, I did want to point out a couple other options like Google Hangouts, Skype, WebEx, free conference call, GoToMeeting, and Microsoft Teams. I encourage you to investigate those options if you feel that Zoom might not be the best solution for you and give one of them a try. As I'm sure you're all aware, as of March 23rd, Governor Whitmer has issued the stay at home order. So, Michigan municipalities are going to need to find new ways to continue to conduct meetings and other business. So, this guide is going to introduce Zoom and how Zoom can be used as a free or low cost solution for those online meetings. Zoom is a platform for audio and video conferencing. It's one of the most popular platforms currently. It allows for chatting and screen sharing between computers, tablets, smartphones, laptops. It's a great option for moving your meetings to. While anyone can attend a meeting and contribute through text chat, to participate through video and audio, you will need a microphone and camera. Thankfully, most modern laptops and smartphones do come with a camera and microphone built in, so accessing the meeting through your smartphone could be a great option. If you just have access to a desktop computer and don't currently have a camera or microphone, those are unfortunately in high demand and short supply at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. Additionally, video platforms like Zoom are experiencing much higher demand than usual, so to make sure you avoid any interruptions, it could be helpful to try starting meetings at off times like 8:15 instead of 8 o'clock, for example, to avoid the most high traffic moments. Now that we've gone over what Zoom is, let's talk about signing up and getting it downloaded to your device. So first we'll look at getting Zoom onto your computer. Just open your web browser of choice and type in zoom.com. Then once you're on the home page, click the sign up it's free button in the top right. Enter your email address and click sign up. Then you'll need to move to your email account and click the link that you received there to activate your account and download the program. So I've activated my account. I'll skip inviting colleagues right now and click start meeting. And then it'll download the software. I'm currently on a Mac computer. It could look a little different on a PC, but either way it should download the installer. So just find the installer in your downloads folder and proceed with the installation. Now here on the left we're showing the process of downloading Zoom onto an iPhone, and on the right onto an Android device. But in either situation you'll just need to open your respective app store, search for Zoom, and Zoom Cloud Meetings should be one of the first things that shows up, and you can just click install. And then this next part of the process is just signing into the app. It'll look very similar whether you're on a computer or a smartphone. So just sign in with the account you created in the first step, and you could be met with some permission settings. They could look a little different on a phone or on a PC, but just allowing Zoom to access a microphone and camera, which is totally fine. So now that Zoom is installed and we're all signed up, let's take a look at actually using it for starting or joining a meeting. First, we'll take a look at starting a meeting. So here in the Zoom home screen, just click New Meeting. There's me. We'll say Join with Computer Audio, and then the meeting is live. It's that easy. In the left side of the main menu there at the bottom, you can see an invite feature. So that will bring up a window in your selected email provider. just go ahead and type in the email addresses of whoever you're inviting to the online meeting and click send, and they'll have the link and meeting code and password to join the meeting. To schedule a meeting in advance, just go to the Zoom home screen and click the schedule icon. So I'll just go through, set it to be a video conference. I scheduled it for tomorrow. You can edit the time and any other details, and then just hit schedule. At the top bar, you can go ahead and click meetings to see any scheduled meetings you have. There's the meeting I just scheduled. I can click show meeting invitation and then copy invitation. And then if I went into my email, I could do similar to the last step. I would just have to paste that in and then send it to anybody who needs to attend the meeting. The next thing we'll go over is joining someone else's meeting. So on the Zoom home screen, I just clicked the big join icon, entered the meeting ID and password that I received from an email invitation, clicked join, just need to confirm the video permissions. Then once you just confirm your audio settings, you will be ready to get the meeting started. For any users that won't be accessing from a laptop or desktop computer, I want to go over the same process from a smartphone. So it'll look largely the same. Just click the big blue join button, enter the meeting code that you would have received through an email invitation, same with the meeting password, and then you'll be met with the same kind of stuff from the computer version. So just accept some video permissions, confirm your audio settings, and there you go. In this example, I'm just in a meeting with Kyle, but you can have several people in your meeting, not all of whom need to be connected through video or even audio. Lastly, I wanted to go over some of the additional features of Zoom. You'll see down at the bottom, it's kind of the main menu. So there's a participants button just to see who's in the meeting, but share screen right in the middle is going to be a valuable one. So I'm just going to click my other screen, click share, and now instead of seeing my face, all of the attendees will be seeing what's on my screen. So this is great for maybe going over some information, showing a PowerPoint or things like that. Then I'll just click the chat button there beside share screen, and that's just for any text-based communication. Next to the chat button is a record button, which can be great to record your meetings to share later with residents or for township files. And last but not least, the reactions button, which is just for fun. Down in the bottom left are just a couple quick privacy links. So you can click the mute button to quickly cut off your audio, and you can click the stop video button to stop your video feed. Now, at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that Zoom would be a free or low-cost option for video conferencing, so I just wanted to go over some of the limitations with the free version. With the free version, you can host up to 100 participants, and there's a 40-minute limit on the meetings. And I think those are probably the two most important limitations. So for $14.99 a month, you can up the meeting duration to 24 hours. So essentially no limit on meeting duration. While the 40-minute limit on meetings could be an issue for some municipalities, this could potentially be worked around by just starting another meeting. Just an inconvenience for everybody, but if the savings of the monthly costs are important, then that could be a solution. Fortunately, the number of participants isn't really limited with the free version, and municipalities could take advantage of this by inviting the public to view the board meetings. And this could be done through publicly sharing the meeting link, which I will walk through here. So in the meeting window, just click the invite icon and then click copy invitation, which will move the invitation into your clipboard, which you can then paste wherever you want. So in this example, I'm right-clicking and pasting that invite into a new Facebook post. So you would just head to your municipality's Facebook page or email newsletter or wherever you wanted to extend this invitation, paste the invite, add a message of your own, and just send that out to your residents. Zoom has some other nice advanced features that we would encourage you to try out and play around with, but I think most importantly, we would encourage you to try all this stuff before you actually have a meeting scheduled. So get your account set up, do your test meeting, play around with the features, and make sure you're comfortable with everything and it's all working before it comes time for a board meeting. Thank you to MTA for giving us this opportunity to present this information, and to you for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. And again, this has been Andrew with the Shumaker Technology Group.